Okay, so here's a video on how to set up your residents and how to change residents or change their tags or take them away from the access to the system. So you go to resident management. In this case, we've pre-configured everything. You would normally go and insert, but I'm not going to go into that right now. I'm just going to go through the basics. So you've got each resident in here, and you'll see that you've got the property number, and then you've got, so for example, it's flat number 11, and it's user number 1 or person number 1, and person number 2. You'll see that they're set for a maximum of 2 people in that particular property, and those settings are configured over here, where you see the little hourglass. So you've got the units and you've got the garages and that sort of thing. They're predefined. And over here you've got the parking allocation. And here you've got the setup of the person. Now, when it comes to their access, you go here to the clocking devices. All that you need to do is change this number over here. So if you delete it and then you just show the tag, when you show the tag, it'll automatically add that number in there for that particular tag on the tag enrollment reader. And then all you have to do is click save. And once you've done that, just make sure that this is allocated already. If it's not, you're going to say assign to device. And you just assign it to the main panel. You move it from the left to the right. And then once you've done that, and this is open door yes and enabled yes, which is this function over here, and enabled on the device. Everything must be on the right hand side. It should be by default when you add it, but you don't have to worry. Like I say, everybody's predefined. All you need to go is click on the particular person and put in their correct ID card. The existing ID card that they're using is fine. Once they're all loaded, we will synchronize everything back to the device, but for now you just put the ID card in there, as I've done over here. Once you've done that, you just close that screen. You come here to where it says access control on the left hand side. You can click on the panel and then say change over here at the bottom. Now you have to find the person that you want to update. Once we've done everybody, we'll move everybody across to the right hand side. But all you do is you find that person that you've just changed, like I just changed that one over there. You put it to the right hand side and you say save. And what that'll do is it'll update the device with that person's particulars so that the tag will now function. You can go test the tag and it'll be working now because that's the tag number that's been uploaded to the device. But for the moment, I'm just going to remove that. So eventually everybody should be from the left hand side to the right hand side as they've all been programmed. But you just need to remember who you've changed when you go here, or who you've added, their IDs, their codes too. And as you add their codes, you just keep their details in mind and then go across to the other side over here under access control and change, and then just move them from this side to the right hand side and say save. And that's it.